back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a summer master bedroom refresh. We actually had a late summer here in Michigan, so a lot of our blooms and a lot of our days and nights were very cool, wet, and rainy. So with that being said, our days are now humid and hot with rain as well. So we have been using the air conditioning. We actually cool down a little bit, so we're able to open the windows and get that fresh breeze in, and things are starting to grow in my garden. So I wanted to bring some of those components in, kind of lighten the sheets, kind of give it a refresh. And as you can see in the background, my bedroom is like this beautiful green that I'm looking to change. So as I'm doing this video, if you can think of a new color that's out there to kind of brighten it up and give a fall refresh, let me know in the comments below, because I love to know. There's so many great colors out there, and I love color, obviously, if you've been following me for a long time, but I want to keep things a little bit more simple in my life and a lot more fresh in my life, just to kind of keep everything streamlined and easy, and I'm able to decorate with various colors in my pillows and blankets and flowers and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you what I did in my master bedroom, and let's take a look. My master bedroom refresh. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any videos from me, hit that subscribe button. And again, down below, please let me know what color I should paint my master bedroom. I'm looking to do this in very late summer, early fall, to kind of freshen it up for the fall and autumn months. And then also the days will be cooler, so the paint job will be much easier. So let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you guys real soon. Have a great day.